Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with yet another haul, and this haul is going to be huge. If I'm telling you huge, that means it's huge. So before starting the video, I would like to mention that I got all of these kurta sets from a brand called Fasher, and this is the first time I've been trying their clothes and I am absolutely speechless. These clothes are also available on Nykaa Fashion, Myntra and Ajio, but if you use my coupon code, that is STRADMAY, you'll have to visit the website, and I think you'll get more amazing offers from the website rather than other like third party apps. I mean, you don't have to worry आप कोई भी size पहनते हो, from extra small to double XL, triple XL, 4XL, 5, 6, उनके पास सारे sizes available हैं. And this is really amazing because ऐसे बहुत कम brands होते हैं जिनके पास इतनी huge size range होती है, and I am really excited to try all of these. So without wasting any further more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first kurta set is this yellow one, and as you can see, I wore this in my sister's haldi function, and I'm telling you, everyone was just asking me about this kurta set. They were inquiring कहाँ से लिया, कितने का लिया. I mean, it looked so gorgeous. I just can't tell you. मैं दुल्हन से भी ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही थी. And this is the kurta set, the yellow one. Look at the work. इसकी वर्क बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. I mean the work is so pretty. The best part about this set is also the dupatta. It looks so sturdy. The stitching is so good. I'm really impressed, and I must tell you, it looks very expensive when you wear it. So speaking of the gorgeousness, next is this really amazing yellow and orange tone kurta set. I mean, you can wear it in mehndi, haldi, or even in sangeet. And the best part is the sleeves. It's full sleeves. It looks absolutely gorgeous. थोड़ी पाकिस्तानी सूट वाली vibe है. The fit is really amazing. I got this in size small. Not just the kurta. Look at the pajama. This pajama also has lace. Fabric is cotton, which makes it perfect for summers. It looks so good. I just can't believe. I'm so impressed. I mean, this is so gorgeous. Look at the work detail. Look at the neck. It's really beautiful. I will highly suggest this. So moving forward, let's see what I got next. The fabric is cotton and it looks so good. The length is perfect. It's a modest dress. आप अगर short dress prefer नहीं करते हो, you can wear these as well. Or even you can use this traveling में, trips पे. It looks really good. छोटे मोटे functions में. It's a basic kurta set, yet it looks very elegant, very classy. And it's perfect for office or college going girls. I would highly recommend it. You won't feel कि आपने कुछ पहन रखा है. So lightweight, so comfortable, and I absolutely love that. पाकिस्तानी सीरियल्स देखते हो ना, तो मैंने उन सीरियल्स में ना ऐसे डिट्टो कुर्ताज देखे उनको पहने हुए. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश लगती है, ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल है. I got this in size small. The fabric is cotton or rayon, I can't figure it out. I think it's mixed, but ये इतनी लाइट वेट है, you won't feel कि कुछ पहन रखा है. Just so lightweight, so flowy. The length is absolutely perfect. ये थोड़ी long length की है, which looks really good. You can pair this even with jeans. ये jeans के साथ भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. I like the color. This color looks so good on Indian skin tone. I mean, I really like this color on me. I tried this the first time and I fell in love with it. I would highly recommend this. Okay, so moving forward, let's see what I got next, and I'm really excited because I'm not kidding, and trust me, all these kurta sets जब मैंने try किया ना, I was so impressed. Like, these are so beautiful. I've also tried kurtas from other brands and other websites actually, but the stitching and the quality, they always compromise, you know. आप पे कर रहे हो, you pay 1000, 2000 or even less also, but I don't feel satisfied उनकी stitching से, उनकी fabric की quality से. But these kurtas, they are so good. The fabric is so good. The stitching is so sturdy. I mean, ऐसा लगता है जैसे आपने इसे टेलर से सिलवाया हो. I would highly recommend, and I'm really impressed by the brand Fasher. I'm really impressed. Really beautiful, really pretty pink kurta set. I really like the collar design. आप summers में इसे पहन सकते हो. It will keep you covered. Best for those days when you don't feel like dressing up या ज़्यादा कुछ चमक ताम झाम करने का मन नहीं करता, उस दिन आप इसे डाल सकते हो. It looks really decent, really modest, and it's nothing much about this kurta set. It's a decent, modest kurta. The size is perfect. I got this in size small and it fits me nice. I mean, it's a bit loose, which I like it. Summers के लिए it's best and I really like the fit and the color of it. I will highly suggest it. Okay, so moving forward, next is this kurta set, which is my absolute favorite among this haul. Like one of the absolute favorite. The color, आप खुद देख लो. I really like the sleeves. The fabric is cotton. बहुत ही मक्खन जैसी फैब्रिक है, बहुत ही लाइट वेट है, समर्स के लिए बेस्ट है. यू ऑल्सो गेट अ पैंट इसके साथ एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज देयर इज पॉकेट इन दिस पैंट विच इज़ परफेक्ट बिकॉज मोस्टली कुर्ता सेट्स में पॉकेट्स नहीं होते हैं. ओके, सो इसमें 2 पॉकेट्स हैं. नाइस. आई रियली लाइक द फिट. इट्स गॉर्जियस. किसी भी फंक्शन में पहनो, नॉर्मली पहनो, ऑफिस में पहनो, कॉलेज में पहनो, इट्स बेस्ट फॉर एवरी ओकेजन. एंड अगर इन सारे हॉल में से आपको कुछ भी एक लेना हो तो प्लीज़ गेट दिस वन. इज़ सो ब्यूटिफुल. द कलर इज़ रियली नाइस. द फैब्रिक इज़ रियली सॉफ्ट, प्योर कॉटन. इट फील्स सो गुड. नो, यू विल गेट दैट ठंडक वाला फील फ्रॉम दिस कुर्ता. So I really like this and I will highly recommend it. Moving forward, let's see what I got next. And I'm winding this up thoda jaldi because it's really exhausting. I don't have any electricity situation here where I'm filming, so I'll try to wind this haul really quick. So next is also a kurta set. इसमें भी आपको दुपट्टा नहीं मिलता. I mean, you won't get any दुपट्टा इसके पहले वाले में. I forgot to mention that. इस वाले में भी there is no दुपट्टा, but the fabric is amazing, the quality is amazing and the look is really good. Look at the sleeves, it's so gorgeous. जो दे रखी इन्होंने लेस की, ये बहुत ही pretty लगती है. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. I mean, this is the lightest among all the kurtas which I got. Very beautiful, very flowy, easy breezy, best for summers. And also इसके जो नीचे जो पजामी है उसमें भी ऐसी कट डिटेलिंग दी हुई है, which looks really good. I mean, it doesn't make much difference, but लुक वाइज ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगती है पहनने के बाद. अगेन आई गॉट दिस इन साइज स्मॉल एंड आई रियली लाइक द फिट ऑफ इट. इट्स लूज, इजी ब्रीजी, perfect for summers. I would also recommend this one. Alright, so moving forward, let's see what I got next. Tell you, ये वाली जो कुर्ता सेट है ना, I just fell in love with the sleeves first because look at the sleeves. It's again a bell bottom sleeves. I don't know, I have a thing for these kind of sleeves. Either I like the bell bottom और वो जो चूड़ीदार sleeves आती है ना full sleeves में, I really like those. Again, this kurta set is really gorgeous. आप इसे मेहंदी फंक्शन में पहन सकते हो because it has pink and red. अगर I know it's not green but still you can wear this in मेहंदी functions or संगीत. The color palette is really amazing. It has pink, red and golden, which is perfect for wedding functions. अभी wedding seasons are almost over, but you can get this अभी से because उस टाइम पे चीज़ें बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाती है. So you can get this, you can buy this beforehand. फ्लोई पैंट, बहुत ही सिंपल सा पैंट है. Nothing much to say. The fabric is georgette. I would suggest कि आप लेके रख लो. मे बी उस टाइम ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाए या अवेलेबल ही ना हो बिकॉज इट लुक्स सो गुड पहनने के बाद. आई मीन लुक वाइज देखने के बाद तो आई थॉट कि इट माइट नॉट लुक गुड ऑन मी, बट पहनने के बाद आई जस्ट फेल इन लव विद इट. इट्स परफेक्ट फॉर एनी वेडिंग फंक्शन. घर की शादी हो, बाहर की शादी हो, दोस्त की शादी हो, यू कैन वेयर दिस एनीवेयर. थोड़ी एंड ऑल्सो इट्स बेस्ट फॉर गिफ्टिंग. इफ योर फ्रेंड और सिस्टर और एनी वन इज गेटिंग मैरिड, you can give this kurta set to her. It's really pretty, really gorgeous, looks so good on everyone. Alright, so I think this was the second last. Finally we have come to the last kurta set. If you have seen the recent series Hira Mandi, you will get an inspiration. Usme they wear this type of chikankari kurta set. It's not fully chikankari, but the work and the feel, it looks chikankari. The fabric is 100% cotton. I got this in size small it's a bit loose for me. I am really impressed with the quality because you won't get these qualities from other apps which I have bought. I have to be honest here, you won't get this quality. This was it for this video. I really hope that you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to comment down below कि इन सारे में से आपकी कौन सी favorite है. I really hope that you might also get your hands on these kurta sets, and please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And we will meet in the next video this time, or it won't delay because there's a really interesting video coming up. So stay tuned and take care. Bye bye.